Okay, here is week 1, lesson 2. So here's problem 1. This one has to do with inequalities, and it's got distribution again. It's the exact same thing, except we have to remember that if we're going to divide by a negative or multiply by a negative on either side, we have to remember to flip the inequality. So we're just going to multiply this over, nothing happens here, and multiply this over. So we get this. So notice here we've got a constant and a constant. So we're going to combine those constants. Nothing happened here. So we're going to add that 9 to both sides. We're going to get this. Then we get that. Then we get this. This has not changed because we haven't divided or multiplied by a negative. So here we are going to divide by a negative. I almost messed up. And we did flip our sign. And so here we've got that negative 16 is less than x. Or you could say x is greater than negative 16. Okay. Don't look. Number 2. So 3x, blah, 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 blah. Okay, drew my line. There's no distribution in this one. It was a little bit easier. I subtracted 4. I don't know why I did it the hard way to start with, but I did. So I've got negative 10, positive 13. I've got 3x. I subtracted the 13. So I've got negative 10x and negative 10. I divide by my negative 10. So when I'm dividing by a negative, I gotta make sure I flip my sign. So I've got x is less than 1 because negative 10 divided by negative 10 is positive 1. So x is less than 1. Okay. Awesome. Number 3. X plus 3 is greater than 2x plus 9. We have a little bit of distribution here. So you got to go here and you got to go there. So you get 2x. Oh my goodness, what did I do? That's crazy wrong. So let's redo this one. Let's do this one together. So, let's pull it right here. 6x plus 3, like this. 2x plus 18. Okay, boom. So, minus 3, 6x like this, 2x plus 15, minus 2x, minus 2x. This gives me 4x is greater than 15. Okay, so I'm going to divide by 4. That gives me x, because this is positive, this stays the same. This goes like this. 15 over 4 is almost 4. Now, yes, you can leave it like this, and that's not wrong, okay? Or you could say that x goes like that, okay? Perfect. All right, good catch. Thanks, guys.